Hello viewers, today I'm at the Ohio Bird Sanctuary doing a video about about animals that can fly. Fly. Yeah, please just leave and subscribe so that you love it. What's the first animal I want to discuss today is the Eastern Screech Owl. The Eastern Screech Owl scientific name is Megascopius Zio. Despite their name, screech owls rarely screech. Instead, their calls consist of a series of whinnies and shrills. They only screech when they are young and begin beginning for food. This owl is fairly common in most types of forest, evergreen or deciduous, urban or rural. They are highly adaptable and are often found living close to humans. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, insects, and amphibians. They hunt from a perch, descending silently on to their prey. A screech owls nest in cavities vacated by woodpeckers or squirrels. They will also use man-made nesting boxes